Good morning, welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing, Monday the 29th of March 2010. Taking a quick recap of where we stand at the moment. Bit of risk appetite returning to the markets in terms of, first of all, the Asian session. Did see the Nikkei did finish marginally lower, around 0.1%, but fluctuated between gains and losses as they paired off their 18-month highs, which were touched at the end of last week. And also with a couple of major companies going ex-dividend today. Shanghai Composite, though, did put in some decent gains, up just shy of around 2% margin, after some good individual earnings beat expectations. In terms of FTSE CAC and DAX at the moment, we're trading up around 0.5% in the UK and Europe, and futures down around 10 ticks. T-notes also down around 6.5%, somewhat forward-looking as well in terms of this week for economic data, it being somewhat of a holiday shortened with the Easter holidays. In terms of consensus for non-farm payrolls, most analysts do predict that it will come in at around the 3-month high at plus 190,000, so looking for some decent job creation. And as mentioned, T-notes are down around 6.5 ticks at the moment with this renewed risk appetite. In terms of the Greece situation, a few more press articles from the weekend. First of all was the FT, which has reported that the IMF could well put their first tranche loan in before the EU if it is so called upon by Greece. Der Spiegel, the press agency in Germany, also added that that could be to the tune of around 12 billion euros in their input. Again, they're looking to input a third of the actual aid in terms of guaranteed or bilateral loans for Greece, as was unveiled last week. In terms of other things that have happened so far today, on a geopolitical perspective, there has been some suicide bomb attacks on Russia's metro system, where 2 bombs went off earlier this morning, killing 37 and injuring around 20 people, although the market's reaction has been pretty muted to that. But definitely worth keeping an eye in the geopolitical news as we head throughout the week. In terms of the calendar then for today, taking a look in terms of UK figures, we have net consumer credit, mortgage approvals, M4 money supply to come at 9:30. We've already had the first German state of Saxony reporting an increase in March CPI in the German states. We'll have the rest coming throughout the morning. In terms of Eurozone, we'll have the confidence figures, business climate indicator at 10. From the US today, clock's now back to the normal time difference. We'll have personal income spending and the PCE data. And speaker-wise, we've got Novotny, Geithner and Bank of England's Dow all due later on in this afternoon session.